hate this.
In order to determine if noise truly affects concentration, we have to see the results of the test. Watch closely as Maggie diligently analyzes the results. The results are in!
Really? What are they?
Noise does affect concentration.
Cool!
The control experiment represented a normal silent testing setting in which students should have scored the highest and gotten the most multiplication problems correct. From the control, we were able to compare it to the other sounds tested.
The four noises showed great deviation towards the normal silent background result. The alarm, the crying baby, and the heavy metal music all produced awful test score results, probably because of their annoyingness. The crying baby was awful in my opinion.
Classical music was the only noise that had results comparable or sometimes better than the control results, showing that in some cases classical music could improve concentration.
Physics!